Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Peggy from One Peer Court, and I am so happy that you're here. Hope you've had a fantastic week. And oh my God, talk about this week. We've had beautiful weather the past few days. We even had temps, I think, in the 80s, and it's been absolutely beautiful. I hope you've had beautiful weather wherever you are, and I'm so glad you're here, like I said. So today I will be tackling under my kitchen sink. I'll be organizing and putting things together neatly so everything is easily accessible. So starting off, I measured already, and so I'm just cutting this kitchen liner to make sure that I protect the bottom of my cabinet. Organizing is actually very therapeutic for me. It kind of I get excited anytime I'm organizing a space, whatever it is. It's my forte. I love organizing, and an organized space brings a sense of calm, ease to my spirit, my general well-being, and knowing that I know where everything is and I can get to it when I want to is key. It's imperative for me. Any project that I'm trying to tackle, functionality and aesthetics is very important, but of course, functionality takes precedence over aesthetics. And at a glance, I can tell, when it's time to restock instead of repurchasing what I may already have and don't know where I put it. So it's very important for me to know that, everything has its place. It's very important, not just for me, for my family as well, So like when my older kids want to take the trash out, they know where the trash bags are, and they're not asking, "Oh, mom, where's this and where's that?" They know where everything is. So it's not just for me, but my family as well too. Also, when I'm organizing, I try to maximize every inch of the space as much as possible. I mean, to the best of my ability, and that's why I got this Lazy Susan that will also house some other items, which I will place over this bamboo lid and bin. And so that's yeah, maximizing the space. That's what it's all about. So. Got these puck lights from Amazon. They're very inexpensive, and love how they just illuminate the space. Also, in maximizing the space, I also got this over the cabinet organizer, and I'm going to use it to put a few more items in there, and it also doubles up as a kitchen towel holder, which I will show in a few. The puck lights that I got are remote controlled, so when I'm done, I can just easily place over the cabinet organizer. And that's the dual purpose I was talking about with respect to this organizer, where you can just put your kitchen towels right there and for easy access. So serves a fantastic purpose. And voila, it's all neat and organized. What you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. If you're inspired to tackle under your kitchen sink cabinets and organize, and I will link all the organizers that I used in the description if you're interested. Thank you all so much for watching. If you're new here, we would love for you to join our family by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. Have a blessed day everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers guys.